All right, hey everyone, this is Jack, and welcome to your free update. So it is 5 o'clock Central, and the Monday overnight futures session has opened, and you can see on your chart here, it's down. And the reason why that's significant to me is the big question at the end of the day today is, does the structure, if you even want to call it that, but does the progression higher from Friday's lows, does it mean anything? And so I think we'll find out with the Monday to Tuesday overnight futures session. I think we're starting to get a little bit of a glimpse as to kind of something I was looking out for. This is why I was not putting on any Monday trades, because it's a day of observing, just in case we have an overnight futures that looks, so far 10 minutes into the futures session, does not look that great. And then it questions the idea or the integrity of the progress that we made higher. And you can see this across both the NASDAQ and the S&P, both on an hourly time frame. The S&Ps on the right hand side have a little bit more of a squeeze that fired, and now we're just trading lower. So what does this all mean anyway? Well, the reason why I have both of these out here starting on this video is because if we just step up the time frame just a little bit bigger up to the 4-hour chart, it doesn't look good, to say the least. You're under 4-hour higher power moving averages, and all that means is, if you trade off of an hourly 34, hourly 50, I'm looking at a 4-hour chart, and typically the 21 is the overhead resistance, but you can see here the 34, the red line, from basically earlier this morning. Now that you see this red wick, well, that symbolizes the now below 11,900 in the NASDAQ overnight futures session now. What does that all mean? Well, it's really just an observation that, hey, these are red 10x bars with volume dots, and we are on a downward trend in the overnight, starting out after the first day of the last week of May. And so it's just kind of one way of looking at this market and going, all right, well, if that's going to be kind of, how we start this overnight session, what does it mean for tomorrow morning? And here's what I think. If it just turns ugly, we could be seeing, continued gradual selling tomorrow, and quite possibly for the remainder of the week. To make not necessarily a new dramatic low, but to revisit the lows that we've just recently put in. So, sub 3,900 and the S&P down to 3,800. Okay, it's pretty normal. It's only about 140 points. Not really a big deal. But the NASDAQ overnight futures starting out pretty heavy is not a good sign. So we'll keep an eye on the 4-hour chart and the hourly. And the way that I'm looking at the hourly right now is just kind of, you can't read into it too much, because, here we are in the overnight session, and the 10x bars, don't have enough data to just kind of consume all the information that they need to create, the color or the direction, basically. So it's kind of a hurry up and wait, but I wanted to do the video as late as possible to see what the overnight session looked like and how we opened up, because the big question at the end of the day that I had was, is this going to hold up, or is this another air pocket opportunity to short? And with that, I will see you tomorrow in the futures room from 11:30 to 12:30, and we'll take a look at all of it, see what makes sense, and make some informed decisions from there. Have a wonderful evening. Thanks for being with us, and we'll see you in the next update.
Thanks for watching this video. If you've enjoyed the video, be sure to like and comment down below to help us out. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release our next video. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you in the next video.